Mom, Viva Light. Viva Light is most prescribed to help prevent dehydration. Mag-ingat sa dehydration, mag-Viva Light. Taas ng lagnat? Ingat sa dehydration. Mag-Viva Light. Viva Light is most prescribed to help prevent dehydration. Mag-ingat sa dehydration, mag-Viva Light. Jericho! Dito, Kayaki!
Oo, di ba?
Oh, ito naman.
Body pain can stop you from doing your best. Buti may salon, Paz.
With direct penetration of ingredients, relieves pain immediately. Gives long-lasting relief that lasts up to 8 hours.
For shoulder, neck, and back pain. Ganda pa rin ang pakiramdam ko. For pain that massage alone can't relieve, use Salonpas. Relief that sticks for up to 8 hours.
Promise, babe. Hindi ka mabibitin. With Cat 88, hindi ka mabibitin sa laro. Secure at napakaraming payment options for fast cash in and out ng panalo mo. Ibang swerte ko. Bet88.ph.
Solusyon? Allergens, virus, nakakaubo, nakakahinala, may hinala distancing. Pero namang ubot hika dahil may plemang nakabara. Ilabas, para walang umiwas. May Plemex Forte para dyan. Gawa sa natural na labundi. Plemex Forte Syrup at Plemex Forte Capsule. Para sa ginawang ramdam, Plemex Forte. Tigil ang ubot hika. Tigil ang hinala. Basta labundi, alam na, Plemex.
Ang programang ito ay rated SPG, striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan maaaring masisirang tema, lingwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata.
Hindi ko akalain na ang dati kong bangkot ay magiging katuparan ng lahat ng pangarap ko sa buhay.
Kilala kita. Naalala ko. Yung araw nung listahan ka sa akin. Nagdulito akong matinding pangkot sa buhay mo. Ngayon naiintindihan ko na kung ano ang sakit, gaano kasakit at pinagdahanan mo. I'm asking for your forgiveness.
Hindi ko alam kung kaya kita patawarin.
If it will take forever to earn your forgiveness, gagawin ko yun.
Hindi ko inaasahan na kamay mo pala yung akutin ko sa oras na kailangan.
Sa kabila na nagawa ko sa'yo.
Oo, kasi alam ko naman na tao ka lang. Nagkakamali. Nararamdaman ko na haharapin mo yung pagkakamaling yan para gumawa ng tama.
Alam ko sa kalooban na gusto mong buhos ang pagmamahal sa isang taong kayang suklayan ito.
Ramon, ikaw ang nagsimula ng lahat ng masakit ko sa buhay. Dahil sa iyo nasira ang pangarap ko na magkaroon ng masayang pamilya. Pero ikaw rin, na nagbalik sa akin kay Ramon. Huwag naman patala mo niya ba? Diyos ko yun! Tunay mo ka na!
Buhay natin ang pamilya natin. Ako, si Tanggol, at ikaw.
Salamat din na dahil nilayan mo ako sa masarap ng buhay ko kay Rico. At dahil sa iyo, nagkaroon ng pag-asa. Mapatawad ako ni Tanggol ng lubusan. Ang pag-asang tuluyang magkaroon ng maayos na pamilya.
Tawarin mo na ang nanay mo.
Bigyan mo siya ng pagkakataon maparamdam niya ang pagmamahal niya sa'yo.
Ano? Sa ngayon, kayo na ang hirap mo ng pamilyang kinakapitan ko. At balang araw, naniniwala ako na mabubutayan ni Bigben at Santino. At hindi na ulit maghihiwalay ang pamilya natin.
Hinanda ako ang sarili ko sa matulong labanan na ito. Sa pagpasok sa politika. Pero hindi ko inaasahan na dahil dito, mamamatay ang kapatid ko si David. Pero hindi nila pinipil sa akin para magpaslaban. Dahil dito, nagkaroon ng lalo ng lakas ng loob para lumaban. Para tanong ng mga gerero. Para mabigyan ng justisya ang pagkamatay ng kapatid ko.
Sorry. Nana, pagkakawin mo ako.
Hindi ko nahahayaan na may madamay pang iba. Ang labang ito ay hindi ko lang laban, kundi laban ng lahat ng mga tao na nabubuhay sa takot sa mga gerero. Gagawin ko ito para sa mga tao sa Maynila, para magkaroon ng pagbabago ng hustisya. Pinapangako ko, ipag-iigalit kita na rin. Papatayin ko si Benito Guerrero.
Lee Songson, good evening. Boss Bell, Mix TV, good evening. Ma'am Jean, TV Mix, good evening.
Dapat lang ito ang sukmura. Dahil ikaw ang pinakamatapang tao na nakilala ko. Sa ganitong paraan, natupad mo rin ang pangarap ko para sa'yo.
Deji Joff, good evening. Rakiterang Bisdak, Ma'am Lynn, good evening.
No one's immune to hair fall. My hair gets its daily dose of provitamin from Pantene. Formula with provitamin B5 strengthens hair and helps build hair fall immunity for 10 times less hair fall. Pantene.
Mami D, good evening, Mami D.
Swabe na rin, iwas hapdi. Sarap ng luto mo man. Alat. I love it, alat.
Sa Nestle, kapag ka sa Swabe, sabaw pa lang, ulam na. Mami, the best! Ang lovely beef na beef lani. May real beef taste. Sabaw pa lang, ulam na. Mapapakain ka. Luwati na yung mami. Happy me. Sabi ni Doc, health eating. Sabi ni Doc, sleep early.
Sabi ni Doc, unahin ang immune system. Immune Pro, tulong para may 100% immunity. Magtiwala sa
Immune
Pro. Sabi ni Doc, Immune Pro.
Hindi na yan.
Ay, grabe na pasayod. Damdam. Iba na profile mo ngayon, Digijof, ah.
Kayang-kaya ang Selecta Bestsellers 2-in-1. Kung na lang, cookies and cream and rocky road.
Para sa siguristan tulad ko, Solvix Advance. Magaling maglinis ng lungs, kaya mabilis kang gagaling sa ubo. Solvix Advance. Magaling maglinis. Advance magpagaling.
Hindi na yan.
Handwainers, magbuwang nyo lang sa Kopi ko Blanca ang likas araw-araw promo. Mag-blood chat sa mali. For a chance to win Gcash araw-araw. And weekly, 100 pesos! Kopi ko Blanca.
Okay lang.
Sali na!
Okay lang, Digijof. Sis Lisa Vlog, good evening. Good evening, Sis Lisa.
Once upon a handful
Good afternoon dyan sa inyo sa Spain. Dito sa amin gabi na sa Pilipinas.
ng handful sandwich. Everyone's snack hansily ever after.
Kamusta ang Spain? Diba may heatwave ngayon dyan? Kamusta? Wala ba kayong shortage sa tubig dyan? Sis Lisa?
Do more with BPI.
Huwag kang magpalinis! Nagkulang pa ako sa Luzon! Hindi na! Nakakahiya!
Ulat ka? Mag-diet ka. Meron pang paninilaw sa diet. Agos linis, pag-ipalyo at kilikili.
Ang puti.
Ay, agos linis, laban sa paninilaw.
Ang batang matibay,
Mag-bear brand ka muna.
di susuko.
Okay. So may part lang dyan sa Spain na
Magamot. Namang mura. Baka hindi magaling yan.
affected.
Gawa ng experts, tested and certified.
Mainit nga.
Magkakapa sa bulsa.
Summer.
Siguraduhin ang quality. Dapat
May part lang doon sa Spain na parang shortage na sa tubig.
Gamitin mo kasi secret. Add more chicken cubes. May sarap ng isang buong manok, kaya hindi sarap ang
Wow, dito sa amin sa Negros,
new double pack, 10 pesos.
ngayong araw, talaga, mainit. So, mabuti naman kasi halos araw-araw umuulan. So, mabuti naman. Sana every other day yung ulan. Okay. Ilang buwan na ba dyan sa Spain na walang ulan? Palagi dyan, palagi dyan affected ng, anong buwan ba yung summer? June to July?
It's game day with Indian Sports.
That's idiot.english.
Look more at Similac gains real faster.
Yung nakikita ko sa TV, na sila, sa fountain na sila umiinom.
Supports faster.
Pero naman, malinis naman. Okay, nailan pa. Malinis naman yung fountain dyan. Safe for drinking naman, di ba?
Sobrang sakit. Palatagsak ka na from Tyson.
Sakto pa naman pagtrabaho na saka uulan. Oo nga, Digijof. Yung mga magsasaka dito, yan ang pinakamaganda sa kanila kasi pwede na silang magtrabaho sa palayan, mag-araro at kaya lang, ang naman sa kanila, problema na naman nila kung siki-siki ulan, hindi naman sila makapag-sabog ba? Sabog ng binhi. So, mabuti naman at mayroong araw na hindi umuulan.
Just pause and reverse the signs of damage. Down Ceramide Intense Repair.
Hindi lahat kasi ng lugar sa Spain affected ng heatwave. May sa ano siguro sa Highland siguro no, affected no, Sis Lisa.
And hit play. Job ceremony intense repair. Taas ng lagnat? Ingat sa dehydration.
Masama nga, tama ko ngayon eh. Ahay, natrangkaso ka, DJ Job. Pahinga muna at mag-inom ng gamot. Inom ka bulong, DJ Job. Ako nga, mainit yung katawan ko, parang tatrangkasuin din. Pero water is water is the key lang. Maraming tubig. Inom lang na maraming tubig. Kasi ang katawan natin kapag nasanay na sa tubig, kahit na ano pang inumin mo na gamot, hindi hindi ka talaga sabog pa rin uso dyan, host. Oo, sabog pa rin, sabog. May iban abi na tanom sila, DJ Joff. Tanom na style ang ila. Pero double trabaho kasi magbabayad naman sila sa magtatanim, di ba? So, mabuti ng sabog na lang para isahan na lang ba. Tapos, ang part na kasi magsabog, hindi lahat kasi matutubo. Especially maraming ibon dito. So, sinusunod ng mga ibon, kinakain nila yung binhi. So, may part na wala. So, nag-uso din dito yung lunob. Lunob ba? Pinifill in nila yung mga walang binhi o walang nabubuhay ng mga palay. Boss G, good evening.
Nagpakita sa wakas. Where have you been? I don't know. Wala.
Sis Lisa, dito ako sa iyong video. Sis Lisa ha, maghanap ako dito ng wala ka bang bagong upload? DJ Joff, i-open ko din yung mo ha, channel mo. Play kita. Wala ka bang bagong maganda kasi sa'yo, Sis Lisa, more on veggies ka. Ang last mo dito is avocado mango salad 2 weeks ago. Wala na bang bago? Mag-upload ka ng bago, sis. Halos lahat dito na ko na. Na-play ko na, Sis Lisa. Except lang sa except lang sa live mo. Yung long vid mo, halos na ko na, na-play ko na. So, i-replay ko na lang, ha. Yung cooking pansit bihon, maganda kasi Sis Lisa more on veggies and fruits siya. Vegetarian siguro yung amo mo, no? Kaya always ano ka, always on the go ka sa beaches at fruits. Wow. Ay, wow. Galing. Ay, hindi ko ulit. Galing yan ah. Okay. Ah, ang galing.
Ang programa nito ay rated SPG. Striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan.
Pilipinas Live Sports is here. Catch exclusive, bite-sized content from your favorite sports icons, such as Benny Gander, Iggy Sharma, and more. From hobbies to behind-the-scenes moments, download the Pilipinas Live app and updates to the latest version. To access Pilipinas Live Sports free. Get free throws to all of two from Stephen Oz. The Will will lead down to just 5 points for the Pyramids. CJ Appa brings all ball screen action. They're trapping CJ, forcing him to come fast as they turn it over. Alonso, down Willie, pulls it back out. He's hounded by Diego. Rosario to Alonso, inside down to Scotty. Nice advantage against Johnson. Alonso takes on the defender, to put a jumper. Oh, that's it, man. From Scotty, and he drops it out as well. That's just a lack of effort right there. Athleticism coming from Scotty Thompson. There was a switch, and there was a miss, but look where Scotty Thompson was for the putback. I legit thought he was going to stop that. But he was hit and out by Dumar. Still strong enough to send that shot home. The bonus.
Good evening everyone. Salamat sa inyong lahat na dito.
Here we go with Barangay Ginebra.
Day Alin, good evening.
They're right back into it, 25-2.
Good evening, Ma'am Lynn. Kamusta ka na dyan?
CJ.
Kamusta ang buhay-buhay? 2 weeks ago, did you job? Yung live mo pala ito. Dito ako sa Anxiety Viral. 7 hours ago. With Harang. Did you job? Din ka na.
contact against Rosario. He was trying to stay in front of CJ.
There's so many options in that offense right there. Coming from San Diego Kiernan. A shooter at the corner, a big man who goes out through one. Big mismatch. Attacking him strong, CJ Perez against Troy Rosario.
Missed, however, for the first free throw. That has been the weak point in CJ's performance here this game. CJ Vice Chairman Alfred Chua on the sidelines. That should be head of basketball operations. And never gone. 75-71, a 4-point lead for S&B. Missy, Abarrientos, David, Rosario, and Cole, the 5 Now, she's a gap in the defense. Forced it up and in.
You know, he has just been so offensive-minded here in this ball game. We like the scoring and how he's really doing it here in this game for Coach Kid Cole.
Wilfred Saya, 15 points for Maverick Ahan Missy. Left it third. That's bumped by David.
I think that's just great defense right there coming from Jason David, you know. He wants to black one, but look at this. Very good move coming from Maverick Ahan.
First team foul for Barangay, sorry, second team foul for Barangay Ginebra. The first minute of the fourth quarter. Gonzalez to CJ on the clock. Now finger on his three.
Very fast coming from Chris Rosales. The timing of when the pass was given to make it a 4-point lead for the Sun to get there.
Ahan Missy taking command of the offense as he gets a switch once again. One-on-one against Altua. Ahan Missy trying to lose his scorer defender. Uses his speed. But he will be sent back. Great recovery by Mo.
This time, says Big Mo. You've been penetrating, you've been having open looks. Might as well go for this big block. He says Mo Altua.
3.6 seconds remaining for Barangay Ginebra. They're struggling on offense. Oh, now a play. Unfortunate miss from Troy Rosario. But Ahan Missy will recover. Fresh 14 on the ground for Ginebra. David. Cross-court pass. 3-point shot for Hall. Won't go. Rosario, another offensive rebound. Another sorry miss.
Big efforts right there coming from Troy Rosario. Lucky break for the Sun to get there, man.
Looking to build on the lead. They will allow CJ to stay. Slip on the screen by Mo. CJ on the left side. Unstoppable.
And it's just so strong. Going to that left and then going airborne. What a move coming from CJ Perez.
All sorts of jelly coming from CJ here in the fourth quarter. They extend their lead to 6. He has 24 in the game. Ahan Missy against Trollano. Still down with him. The cup coming from Hall. Adjustment there. Another sorry miss. Rosario finally.
But you know, you've got to appreciate how much effort this guy is doing for the Evelyn Chip kids getting all those rebounds against the big man of San Miguel.
Barnes still left open, but a lucky break for Barangay Ginebra that he missed. The starters will come back into this matchup in just a little bit. Abarrientos to the mid down low. Back out to Abarrientos for the shot block. To Stephen Hall for 3. No. Rosario will get another offensive rebound. Over rejection from Mo. And now we come into the foul against RJ.
Troy Rosario is so witness
Here in this ball game, those are just big effort in getting those defensive rebounds. The Mavs champions, the first and second overall pick of 2015. 10 years into the league. Still effective for their respective squads as both of them got a block, but then was not in good position. Forced to a foul, Lorenzo Zabarrientos as he goals. There's so much defense against our Barrientos here in this ball game. Timeout for the San Miguel Beermen. They're up 79-77 heading into this break. This program is brought to you by Pioneer Elastomobile. Mas matindi na ang init at red hair, kaya dapat Elastomobile na dun sa Lasomer 3X formula, UV resistant at mga flexible premium polymers. Matibay, 3 times sa kamakailan versus medium brand. Like ngayon ang pagmula, Elastomobile mo yan. Pioneer, do it right.
Huwag kang matakot na matulog mag-isa. Kasama mo naman ako. Huwag kang matakot, matakot.
Marcio Lassiter, after being named the best player of the game, with their first win in the semifinals, go down to 5.5 in game 3, 4 at any given point. He can know he can get to stay full command of the offense for SMB.
You know, the good thing with Marcio Lassiter is that he can also play great defense. That is why he's really still given the opportunity to be playing major minutes, even if he doesn't score in a game.
Right now, Marcio Lassiter is on the bench. At the 5 on the floor, Rudy Rosales, Cruz, Soliano, Perez, and Fajardo for Coach Leo Austria. CJ Perez and Jericho Cruz combined for 47 points in this matchup to spearhead the attack for the Beermen, with Kumar adding 10. Rosales on the escape, misses. Chance to time, the drop off, an easy bucket for Malonzo.
What a pass coming from RJ Barrientos to tie this ball game at 79 apiece.
They fight it earlier, but we're not able to get the lead in the third quarter. Now Kumar, to a Jericho, another bucket inside, gets the lead back for SMB.
You know, the timing of when he's doing that cut and that finish coming from Jericho Cruz was scored 24 big points right now for the San Miguel Beermen.
Like the first number is 25 with 24.
That's right.
DJ. As Alonso picks up his dribble, he's looking for a friend. Alonso, the pass to side, stolen by Soliano. Rosales on the floor, Chris. Double up on the defense, but Soliano recovers.
It's defense right now coming to the San Miguel Beermen to force a 4-0 run in the last 30 seconds of this ball game.
10 steals in total for SMB. And you can't throw lazy passes against the tenacious defenders. CJ is one. Jericho Cruz is one. Rick Rosales is another.
They can read the passing game. It's not just the strength of this player. It's not just defensively. After a 79 all dead now, a 4-0 run because of the defense by the Beermen.
Short break for Don Rosario. That's Coach Tim needs a lot more size on the floor to contend with SMB. And Thompson delivering the end game. Napigan Nisi has been super aggressive. Malonzo, the 3-point shot is gone.
It was just so big. The shot of Jamie Malonzo. Great scoring night for Jamie. He's got 13 points.
Almost a steal there coming from Scotty. Johnson, Lopez Cruz, Jericho. Uses the screen from Kumar. Cruz is fouled and it will be 2 free throws.
They're just doing the training right now against Barangay Ginebra. But first, this nice penetration, nice
Will that turn the momentum on the side of Barangay Ginebra, Frontial? Being defended by Chapel. Did not take the shot because he knew that it was going to be a switch. And it's going to be Troy taking on Jumar Fajardo. He just waited for the distance. 4.5 minutes remaining here, game 5. Constant with it. The Chapel, the jumper. In and out. Another offensive rebound. What a bit of a Troy Fajardo. This is no easy putback. Stepping on the baseline for Don Goliano, collecting Sayang underneath on the knee. For Barangay Ginebra. And they got away with that one. Once again from down towards the left of the side. Leaving Chapel again on the mark. And he's nice for a jam. Gets it back in this ballgame. Still a 4-point lead though for Santiago Gear, 90-86, heading into this timeout.
For those who are always on a mission. Keep the internet connection going with DRDT Home Always On. First in the world, fiber and LTE in one device with automatic service ticketing.
Sis Jane of Lisbayan, good evening. Thank you so much, Sis Jane of Lisbayan. I-play kita mamaya, Sis Jane, na. Anihan. Apat na kasing naka-play, Sis Jane, para di siya mabagal mag-play. O ito, mayroon naka-play apat. So, mamaya na lang, after na lang ng mag-close ako, mag-end ako. I-play kita para tuloy-tuloy. You're welcome, Sis Jane. Maraming salamat lagi. Nandyan ka sa live ko. You're welcome, Sis Jane. Di ako maka-join sa live mo, Sis Jane, kasi nasa office ako. So, hindi ko kumbaga dito sa Ilonggo, malagpatan ba? Oo, dami. Dami kasing trabaho sa office. Kaya hindi ako makatambay sa iba. Hindi ako makatambay sa iyo. So, don't worry Mag-play ako mamaya after ng mag-overtime muna ako mga lang hanggang 10:15. Okay lang ba sa inyo? Okay lang ba, Sis Jane? Late na kasi ako nag-start. 8:34 yata. Kasi gabi na ako dumating. Nagluto pa ako ng laswa at saka ng pritong bangos para sa hapunan. Ay, okay po, understandable naman po. Haba-haba kasi ng travel ko, Sis Jane, 2 oras. Kasi mas lalo din sa'yo. Oo. Haba-haba ang layo kasi ng aking lugar. Kaya take time. Maaga ako alis, tapos gabi na dumating dito sa bahay. Yung lugar ko kasi, Sis Jane, malapit lang dito sa Canlaon Volcano. Nagtatrabaho ako from 4th District at uwi naman ako sa 5th District ng Negros Occidental Negros Island region na kami. Covering 3 provinces. Negros Occidental, Negros Oriental, at saka yung Siquijor. Siquijor Province. Encantadia. Don't worry po, ma'am. We are always here to support you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Ako din sa iyo, Sis Jane. Thank you so much. Na-appreciate ko yung isang video mo doon, yung latest video mo na nung pumunta kayo doon sa park, yung part ng Hong Kong, yung haba ng comment ko doon. Marami palang pasyalan doon sa Hong Kong, no? Siguro sa 9 years mo na sa Hong Kong, ano mo na, kumbaga kabisado mo na, 'di ba? Marami ka ng magagandang tourist spots na napuntahan, 'di ba? Minsan pag maaga natapos work ko, ayun, nagdot-dot nagdot-dot. Oo. Kasi ang free time lang naman magdot-dot sa cellphone. So, siguro pag Sunday, whole day ka, nagde-day off ka. 'Di ba may lugar dyan sa Hong Kong na lahat ng mga Filipinos, OFWs nandiyan, nagpabanding, tapos makikita ko mayroon silang mga dala na mga pagkain, sharing with the friends. Ang ganda. Tapos, lahat ng mga chika, sa mga amoy, doon. Kasi yan lang naman yung araw na nagbabanding yung mga OFW, di ba sis? Oo, marami na pero di ko pa napuntahan lahat. Hihi, dami dito tourist spots. Oo, ang dami talaga. Sana all. Kailan kaya ako makapunta ng Hong Kong, no? Kaya lang, hindi kami basta-basta makaalis dito sa Pilipinas. Kahit na mayroon kaming passport. Kasi kailangan mo pa magpa-approve sa main office mo doon sa Maynila. Kailangan mo pa na mag-apply ng travel abroad. May mga documents na basta maraming mga documents na kailangan maipresenta. Ay nako, siguro kung magka-retire na ako, yun na siguro ang time na alis na at mag-tour around the Asian countries lang. Yun lang. Dami pala processing. Yes, oo, daming processing. Kaya, ano, mahirap talaga kapag nasa government ka. Marami kang ipresenta ng mga papel. Ano bang purpose mo doon? Ilang days ba yung ano mo? Yung travel abroad mo? Magkano ba yung pera mong padalhin? Basta, marami. I-declare mo lahat. So, dito lang muna ang empleyada hanggang Pilipinas lang muna. Ako kasi, Sis Jane, nung before ako nag-employo sa government office, sa private din ako. So, Nag-apply din ako, Hong Kong din. Nakapasa ako sa interview at saka mayroon ng employer. Tapos, for medical na, yun, natanggap naman ako sa government. So, hindi natuloy. Kasi ako noon, kung saan na lang makatrabaho ba, kung saan makakahanap ng, ng maka-income at makasave. Ano kasi elder ako, o ang pinakamatanda. Dalawa lang kami ng sister ko. Kaya gusto ko rin hanap ng malalaking sweldo. So, yun ang Hong Kong. Kaya siguro hindi po para sa akin yun, Sis Jane. Kaya, dito na ako sa government. Walang alisan na. Dito na magre-retire. Sangre. Oo, matagal-tagal na ako sa government office. So, dito na siguro magre-retire. Dito kasi sa trabaho ka 8 hours lang. Tapos, Saturday, Sunday, holidays, walang trabaho. So, spend time for family. Yan lang. Hindi kumbaga yung katawan mo hindi talaga laspag ba sa trabaho. Kasi 8 hours lang. DJ Chof, good. Ay, thank you so much. Time checks. Time check, sorry. Time check, 10:15 in the evening. Mag-end na po ako mag-end na po ako. Ano bang mga sinasabi ko? Mag-end na po ako. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Sis Jane, DJ Joff, Sis Lisa, Ma'am Jean, Boss Bell, Raketerang Bisdak, Sis Jane, si Raketerang Bisdak, nandyan din sa Hong Kong. Boss G, 14, thank you so much. Sino pa ba? Lisang Sun, Sis Lisa, thank you so much. Bye-bye everyone. Ingat po kayo. Good night po, Sis Jane.